Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you what you can do if you've accidentally started the descale process on your Bosch Tassimo My Way 2. So what could have happened is you've taken this out of storage or you haven't used it in a long time and you want to put through a rinse. You're going to get your service disc from the side, you're going to put it in barcode down, and to rinse it you just need to tap the middle button. But accidentally you might have held it on for 3 seconds, or there's also a CALC button just down here, and if you hold that on for 3 seconds it's going to go into the descale process, which lasts 30 minutes. I'm going to show you how to cancel that. So accidentally now you want to rinse, but accidentally you've held it down for 3 seconds. It's gone into descale here, you can see this flashing CALC. This is going to last for 30 minutes. To cancel it, all you have to do is tap the middle button, not the CALC button. The CALC button will start it and the middle button will start it, but only the middle button will stop it. So just tap here and then it will flash like this for about 15 seconds or so, and then it will stop. There you go, you can see now that that light's gone out there and we're back to normal. So this is where you can just lift it up, put it down again, and you can just tap it to do your rinse like you want it to originally. Thanks for watching.